Take a look at innovative ideas in battery-powered top Kei Truck and Kei Van, the future of micro-commercial vehicles made by Toyota and Daihatsu. The Daihatsu Uniform Cargo is a new design built on the guidelines that define the Kei Van. The Uniform Cargo should be seen as a derivative of the almost legendary Daihatsu Hi-Jet Cargo that has set the benchmark for the last 3 decades in cost-effective urban transport across Japan. Boxy yet visually appealing, which is not easy to accomplish when you need to exploit every square millimeter to the full. Outside, it boasts a fresh design language and practicality. Apparently, the driver's cab has been designed with a human-centered approach, with double glazing enhancing the field of vision to facilitate navigation. Good minimalist design paired with all-round lights lends this minivan a charming character. While it does look good, the cargo is the key. And as ever, Daihatsu does not disappoint with functionality. Flat floor, multiple lashing points, double sliding doors, and a high-lifting tailgate. Manufactured from environmentally friendly plastics for durability and ease of use, no worries about scratches, dents, and rust. A great companion for all small business owners, farmers, and maintenance teams. Daihatsu Uniform Truck is an answer to the need for a flexible, fully electric Kei truck that can be easily adapted to a variety of different applications. Version we see is a mobile sales vehicle. The Kayoibako, developed by Daihatsu as an affordable and powerful base for a variety of vending strategies, gets a new boost here. Mounted on a newly designed electric truck platform, it not only looks good, but also delivers plenty of performance. Its modular design allows for easy and attractive product presentation, while the uniform traction batteries can power the various functions of the stand. Uniform Truck is the perfect base for a wide range of applications, from dump trucks to refrigerated transport, aerial work platforms, snowplows, and much more. We believe that this concept will become a production vehicle and enable new types of mobile business that have not been possible until today. Although we do not know the details of the engines that will power the Uniform Truck and Cargo, we are confident that, as the Daihatsu always stresses, the 4-wheel drive variant will be available for all those who need to reach the most remote destinations. Toyota Kayoibako is a new concept in battery-powered Kei Vans, designed as a stylish all-purpose vehicle offering maximum interior flexibility and efficiency. Kayoibako van is a combination of state-of-the-art technology and a sophisticated interior design philosophy. All the technologies used here are the result of Toyota's latest achievements, including the highly acclaimed autonomous driving systems and human-centered design. Up front, there is a dual windscreen similar to the Daihatsu's, but the design is less minimalist. The interior's large TFT screens are more premium than utilitarian. Kayoibako has many innovative touches and is also suitable for use by people with disabilities. A flat floor area and the absence of a B-pillar make access easier and allow for a variety of interior configurations to suit different needs. Floor-mounted docking points allow easy load securing and one-hand wheelchair integration. Toyota Kayoibako concept is designed to inspire personalization according to the lifestyle, hobbies, and preferences of each individual. A great-looking, futuristic microvan with a premium feel, ideal for those who want more than just a super efficient van, such as the Uniform series offered by Toyota's Daihatsu sub-brand. We're excited to see how these fine concepts will continue to grow in global markets. If you're interested in the latest news and reviews from the world of Japanese motoring, be sure to like and follow us to get all the latest content. Check out beforward.jp, Japan's largest car exporter with more than 20 years expertise.